Hi, Daud.
Okay, so today what we want to do? Okay, so the first one, Daud need to wear your trousers. Okay, which one is trousers? Okay, so you need to sit down. Okay, you need to wear by yourself. Boleh? Okay, come. Sit down, sit down. Which one is your kurta? Okay, try to wear it. Take it, your kurta. Then, okay, go. How to wear this kurta? From here, nah?
Oh, lubang.
From here.
Tak jumpa lubang baju. Tak jumpa lubang baju.
Tak jumpa. You wear it by yourself. Ciao. Okay. Put your hands and put also your hands. Alright. So, this one kat sini, letter kena letak sama ada butang baju Melayu ataupun safety pins yang teacher sertakan. Okay? Boleh. Kalau ada butang baju Melayu lebih baiklah. So, lagi mudah untuk Daud pasang. Betul? Okay? But kalau tak ada, kita kena letakkan safety pin ni. Kena tutup kemas-kemas. Okay. Daud, can you look at upstairs? Look at upstairs pula. Look at up. Okay. What you see? My friends. Okay. Be careful. And yeah. Not yet. Okay. Done. It's supposed to be like this. And one more thing. What we need? Your selimpang. Alright. So selimpang ni kita boleh lipatkan. You look like a ninja. No, this is for the Bollywood dance. Okay. But later you wanna dance, right? So you need to be. Okay.
Oh, you handsome.
Look at Chinese. Chinese said you are so handsome. This one just need to.
Handsome lah.
Kena ikat di bahagian tepi. Pastikan satu di bahagian atas, satu lagi di bahagian bawah. Seeloknya seharusnya ikat 2 kali supaya lebih ketat dan selamat. Okay. And then boleh biarkan. Dah handsome. Handsome tak? Do you think you're handsome? Okay, so turn around. 1, 2, 3, turn around. Turn around.
Pusing.
Pusing sayang. Pusing. Ta-da!
Yay.